In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an Iron Condor on Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim on the web. Once you're logged in, head to the Monitor tab. This is where you can review your open trades, track account activity, and manage existing positions. Inside the Monitor section, open Activity and Positions. This area shows the positions currently held in your account, organized by symbol. From here, locate the stock or ETF that contains your Iron Condor position. If you have several positions open, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct underlying asset before moving forward. If the position is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the full option structure. This is especially helpful with multi-leg strategies like Iron Condors, since you want to confirm you're working with the complete spread and not an individual leg by mistake. Next, right-click directly on the Iron Condor position. A menu will appear with several choices for managing the trade. From that menu, select Create Closing Order. Thinkorswim will then generate a closing order based on the position you currently hold. At this point, choose Buy Iron Condor if you're closing a short Iron Condor. In some cases, Thinkorswim may display a slightly different but equivalent closing choice depending on how the trade is listed, so select the appropriate closing order shown on screen. Once the order ticket appears, review it carefully. This is an important step because you want to verify that all 4 legs are included and that the order is truly set up to close the position rather than open a new one. Double check the quantity as well so it matches the number of spreads you want to exit. After that, enter your desired limit price. Using a limit price gives you more control over the fill, which can be especially useful with option spreads where pricing can move around. If you're trying to get filled efficiently, many traders compare the natural price and midpoint before choosing their limit. When everything looks correct, click Confirm and send. A final confirmation window will appear showing the full order details. Review that information one more time, including the strategy, price, and quantity. If everything is accurate, click Send to submit the order. And that's how to close an Iron Condor on Thinkorswim. As a final tip, always make